What if learning something new felt less like a task and more like real progress? Welcome to GoSkills, your go-to place for building skills that actually stick. Getting started is simple. No complicated setup, no long, overwhelming lectures, just practical learning that fits into your day. Choose from hundreds of courses designed for real-world skills, from Excel and project management to leadership and AI. Whatever your goals, there's something here for you. Lessons are short, focused, and designed to move you forward, even if you only have a few minutes. And you don't just watch, you'll learn by doing. Quizzes and exercises help you apply what you learn as you go. Stay motivated with coins, streaks, and rewards that turn small wins into real momentum. Need a little extra help? Your built-in AI tutor is there whenever you need it, ready to explain concepts, answer questions, and guide you forward. Track your progress, reach milestones, and earn certificates that reflect what you've achieved. Whether you're sharpening skills for your current role or preparing for what's next, GoSkills makes learning feel manageable, useful, and rewarding. You got this.